excellent job on this floor here that I'm standing on. We got about 7 to 10 coats of really hard paint, and they worked 2 days that were really trying, and they did an excellent job for us, and it come out better than I expected. I greatly appreciate all their efforts. Thank you.
Benefits include very flat surface, high resistance to wear, impact, abrasion and scratches, extreme durability, nothing to peel out and does not require repainting, maintenance free, it is costly efficient and requires no maintenance, fire resistant, as concrete does not burn or produce fumes, very easy to clean, just soap and water. Environmentally friendly, as materials and method are harmless to environment. Safe slip resistance according to OSHA standards. Increases light reflectivity, thus saving energy. Dust proof. Avoid costly shutdown, as the process goes smoothly without disturbing your production. Reduces stress on electronic components caused by electrostatic discharge. And it is absolutely beautiful.